Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share how I achieved these beautiful waves in my hair. I am going to first show you exactly what I used in my hair. So I'm using this Kerastase oil here, and then I only use this basically on my hair before I start rolling it up. So just a little on both sides. And then I go in and add the melanin twist elongating style cream to each section as I go. So as I show you kind of the routine here, I wanted to just throw in a little bit of information about my hair before I started this style. So this is an old blowout, and I do have a few different products in my hair already. So I have a little bit of oil, the same oil that I used in this video, and then I used a couple blow dry creams previously on my hair. So my hair is an old blowout, but it's still pretty lightweight. So you can use the products that I feature in this video on fresh hair, fresh blown out hair, or if you have another way of stretching your hair, definitely try that instead of using heat. I think you could still create some really beautiful waves that way. But I did do a light blowout on my hair after I'd already stretched it by keeping my hair in two twists for about a day prior to the soft blowout. I'm gonna go ahead and allow the rest of this tutorial to play. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video.